How to convert minus to hours in your Excel. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end and let's dive into the process. First of all, you have to navigate to your hour option. Once you are on your hour option, just tap on the equal to option. Once you are on your equal to, just go for your minute option here. And after selecting your minute option, you have to just go for the division option. Here you can see that. And you have to divide it by 24. And after typing the 24, again slash or divide it. So you have to divide it by 60. And after that, you will successfully have your converted minus 2 hours in your Excel like this. So here you can see that. And after that, here you have to just go for that here and you have to just select that formula. After selecting that formula here, you have to just go and place your plus icon here and just go and after placing your plus icon here, you have to just go and so here you can see that you have to just place your plus icon here. After that, you will have your minus into hours like this. And here you have to just go for the right click option. And here you have to just go for the format cell. Once you are on your format cell here, you have to just go for the time option here. Just go for the time option. Once you are on your time option, you have to just go for this and tap on the OK option. So just go and select all of your here, select all of this column here, and just go for the format cell option. And just go for the time option here and tap on this and go for the OK option. And then you will have for your house in your Excel like this. I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.